Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel, and we have just done our first week of videos, and to say thank you for all the support, we are doing a $10 Amazon gift card giveaway. Now all you need to do is hit the like button, comment you've liked and subscribe as well, and you will be entered. I don't imagine many people will enter because it's quite a small channel at the moment, so you've got a good chance of winning. Now on to the subject today. We're doing best way to invest in oil as a beginner. Now oil has taken a massive hit because of the coronavirus. People are not going out. I've touched on this on my other video about how you can get paid to invest in oil, but today we're really going to be doing it. I'm going to be showing you the best method, when to invest and how much you should invest, when you should be looking to get a return, and what is the best place to do it. Okay, we're going to go onto my laptop now, so I'll see you in there. Okay guys, so we're in Google now, and the first thing we're going to do is go over to a website called eToro. It's very similar to Robinhood, it's just a version for European countries really. Okay, you're going to click on that, and what you want to do when you get into here is sign in or sign up. That it's very easy to do, like many other things. Now I've got a virtual portfolio here I'm going to be using for this video. At the moment I'm on $129,000. It's really good eToro, because you can trade. It's very simple to use. It's really good for beginners, very beginner friendly, and also if you're not sure on what to do, you can put your trust in other people. You can copy other traders that have got much more experience than you, know a lot more about the markets than you, and can probably get a lot better results than you. So that is another great feature. However, I'm going to save that for another video, so make sure to subscribe if you want to see that. Okay, we're going on to trade markets. Now you'll find oil here. Okay, what we're going to do, I made £29,000 in virtual cash yesterday on oil, but you want to firstly go over to the chart and zoom out. This is most important if you're looking for if you're looking for a return in probably 6 to 9 months. This is what you want to look. If you're over a few years, you want to look a bit further. However, for the purpose of this video, we're going to be going really zoomed in to have a look if we can make any money quickly. So as you can see, it's been bouncing around here, and at the moment it's gone quite low. So I would say we should invest in oil at the moment. So I'm going to invest $13,000 on it, and it will take the profit at 6,000 and stop loss at negative 6,000. So we're going to open that trade. Okay, now we'll go back to another trade. Okay, so there's many things you can invest in. Shell, another big producer, big user of oil, Amazon, Bitcoin. There's lots of things you can invest in, but another company I'm going to look at is Saudi Arabian Oil Company. Now I'd say this is a great website. This is a great one to buy into if you're looking for an investment on the long term to do well, because at the moment Saudi Arabia are continuing to make more and more oil, which means their losses are going up at the moment. However, they're hoping that later on, because America should be out of the game, they'll manage to push America out by creating so much oil that they'll be able to just fit in and take all the American customers, therefore giving them a bigger profit, more customers, more sales, and a bigger profit. So I'd say overall their shares will increase, but not for some time, probably 2 years. So that's another one to look out for. Okay, that's the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to take part in the giveaway down below. $10 gift card up for grabs. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye.